Hello friends, thanks for clicking. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. Today we will discuss there are so many important journals in the field of computer science engineering, IT engineering, biomedical science, multiple disciplinary, medical engineering, biochemistry and everything. So in this area, those who are comes under this particular area aim and scope, so this is suitable to all of you. So first journal publisher name is the Springer. The journal name is the International Journal of Bullying Prevention. The aim and scope of this journal you can check. This is the cyber bullying and cyber attacking, cyber crime, online trolling, online cyber crime, online cyber detection. So there are so many aim and scope you can check about their researcher. So this is the kind of aim and scope, so you can check as per your research area. And now if we will talk about the submission and publication timing for this journal, so it is especially dedicated to the fast publication journal. So within 60 days आपको अपना एक्सेप्टेंस रिजेक्शन माइनस चेंज जो भी आपको रहेगा वो कम्युनिकेट कर देंगे आपको. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट कैटेगरी जर्नल. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू publish their research paper in this public journal, so you need to create a account and then finally submit your research paper or manuscript to this journal. Next category, aggression and violent behavior. It is especially dedicated to the Mr. Raju. This is he is the one of the our subscriber. So on behalf of this request, so it is dedicated to him. So aggressive and violent behavior, he is doing research area in the cyber crime or cyber detections like this, cyber bullying. So this is especially dedicated to the fast publication journal in the area of the aggression and violent behavior and cyber bullying, online trolling. So this is the publishers Elsevier, and now you can check the abstract and indexing. So this is the abstract and indexing, Scopus index and सोशल साइंस साइटेशन इंडेक्स SCI, वेब ऑफ साइंस जर्नल है, स्कोपस इंडेक्स है. सो डोंट वरी फॉर दैट, गो फॉर दिस जर्नल. सो आई रिकमेंड टू ऑल ऑफ यू गो फॉर दिस जर्नल, स्कोपस एंड वेब ऑफ साइंस जर्नल. सो दिस इज द वेरी गुड जर्नल एंड फास्ट पब्लिशिंग जर्नल. Now next one is the computer law and secure. This is also the fast publication journal, and those who comes under this particular aim and area and scope, so just check it here. This is the aim and scope. You can just read out carefully and then finally submit to the publishing. Now you can check the abstract and indexing. This is also the very good indexing, Scopus index journal. Now the third category journal is the computer and security. So it is especially indicating to the security and computer. So please read out the aim and scope for this journal, computer security, audit, control and data integrity. If your research area comes under this particular aim and scope, then you need to publish your research paper. This is also the fast publishing journal and the aim and this is the indexing, Scopus index journal and web of science index journal. This is the SCI index or web of science index. So don't worry for that. Now next one is the forensic and international digital investigation. This is especially also dedicated to the cyber crime, cyber security, digital investigation. So those researcher comes under this particular area can publish their research paper in this particular journal. So this is the online submission link. So you can need to just click on this particular link and then you will be redirected to the submission your research paper. So firstly you need to prepare your research paper as per the guideline given to the authors guideline. Next one is the Journal of Computer and System Sciences. The impact factor 1.4 and site score 4.0. Now you can check the aim and scope. So this is the theory of algorithm, computability, formal language, automata theory. So especially dedicated to the computer science engineering and IT engineering, computer network, neural network. So there are the very good aim and scope. So very wide area of this particular aim and scope. Now you can check the abstract and indexing of this particular journal. So this is also the good indexing, Scopus index, ACM digital library. So this is also belongs to the good indexing and so science citation index. So means it is science citation, SCI index and also Scopus index journal. So don't worry for that. Now, next one is the information processing and management. This is the an international journal. The impact factor of the 4.7, site score 8.6. So this is the very good journal. So I recommend to all of you. And the first decision timing is the 3.8. So within a month you will get the notification about the acceptance, rejection or minor change. So now this is the aim and scope area. So if your research area comes under this particular aim and scope, need to publish your research paper in this particular. Now you can check the abstract and index. This is also the Scopus Index journal. Now next category is the special issue on algorithm bias and fairness in search and recommendation. It is also dedicated to the cyberbullying, online investigation, cybercrime. So just need to check their aim and scope. If your research area comes under this particular area, then you can publish your research paper. Now you can check also the abstract and indexing by click on this particular tab. So this is the MI Engineering and Scopus Index journal. So you can check here SCI index. So this is also the good journal. So I recommend to all of you go for this journal. Next one category is the International Journal on Advanced Science, Engineering and Information Technology. So this is also the good journal, very good journal, and this is the, so you can see the publication frequency 6 issue per year means within 2 months के अंदर आपका research paper publication हो जाएगा. So this is also a very good journal. So I recommend to all of you. Now if we will talk about the indexing, so this is the SGR ranking means you need to just click on this particular, you will be redirected to the SCImago journal rank. So this is the Scopus journal, index journal. This is here, they are also mentioned here especially. So Scopus index journal. So just you need to check aim and scope and publication frequency only bi-monthly, and now you can check at yourself the guide for authors. So accordingly prepare your manuscript and submit to the publication. Next one is the category Taylor and Francis Online Journal. This is the very renowned journal. The journal name is the Cybernetics and Systems and International Journal. This is also the very good journal and Scopus Index journal. So you can just check out at yourself also. So now aim and scope, if your research area comes under this particular area, then you need to publish your research paper and go general information. You can explore this from this tab, editorial board, instruction for author. So everything is there, just you need to explore as per your research area. तो आपको बहुत केयरफुली इसको देखना है और अकॉर्डिंगली अगर आपके इस पर्टिकुलर रिसर्च जोन में, रिसर्च एरिया में अगर फिट बैठता है, सूटेबल हो, तो देन यू नीड टू पब्लिश. Now next category is the IEEE Explorer. This is the monthly publication journal. So I recommend to all of you, this is also a very good journal or a kind of publishing. So IEEE Transaction on System, Man and Cybernetic System. Now you can check the aim and scope. So you can check your aim and scope. Your research area comes under this particular area or zone, then you need to publish your research paper with this particular journal. Now publication detail within a month है, पब्लिकेशन होगा फ्रीक्वेंसी 12 मीन्स मंथली पब्लिकेशन है IEEE ट्रांजेक्शन जर्नल. सो आई रिकमेंड टू ऑल ऑफ यू गो फॉर दिस जर्नल एंड पब्लिश योर रिसर्च पेपर विद इन ए मंथ. Next one is the International Journal of Pharmaceutics. The impact factor is the 4.8, site score 7.6, and the first decision within 3 weeks. So maximum 3 weeks. So you need to you will get the confirmation from the publishers within a 3 weeks. So I think this is the within a 15 to 20 डेज के अंदर आपका रिसर्च पेपर का एक्सेप्टेंस रिजेक्शन आ जाएगा. दिस इज आल्सो द वेरी गुड जर्नल. नाउ यू कैन एक्सप्लोर द एम एंड स्कोप. सो देयर आर द वेरी गुड एम एंड स्कोप. सो वेरी वाइड एरिया कवरेज ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर जर्नल. सो यू नीड टू जस्ट चेक योर रिसर्च area, and if you suits under this particular aim and scope, then you need to go for the publishing. Now you can check the abstract and indexing. Just click on this first. So there is the good indexing of this journal. SCI journal hai. This is the SCI journal and Scopus journal. So I recommend to all of you go for this. Next one is the publisher is the Hindby. The publication journal name is the Journal of Chemistry. So this is the very good journal across the globe. Now you can check the brief summary of this particular journal. Acceptance rate is only 44%. 44%. So this is, I recommend to all of you go for this. Actually the 44% is the very good. नाउ सबमिशन टू फाइनल डिसाइड विद इन 67 डेज, मीन विद इन 2 मंथ्स आपका रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश हो जाएगा अप्रोक्सीमेटली. इम्पैक्ट फैक्टर 1.7, साइड स्कोर 2.20, एंड दिस इज आल्सो द स्कोपस इंडेक्स. सो नाउ यू कैन चेक द स्कोपस indexing or not. So just you need to click on the abstracting. So indexing, just you can check here. This is the Web of Science indexing and Scopus index journal. So this is also the Web of Science or SCI index. So this is also the very good journal to publish your research paper. Next category is the publisher is the Elsevier. The journal name is the Current Research in Pharmacology and Drug Discovery. So those who are comes under this category, publish your research paper. This is the very good publisher, Elsevier Scopus Index Journal. Now you can check the aim and scope. Just need to check your research area. If you comes under this particular aim and scope, then you need to submit your research paper. Next category is the Elsevier Journal, Asian Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Impact factor is the 3.9, very good journal, very good impact factor. Side score also the 5.3. Now you can check your aim and scope from this particular. So those who are comes in the under this category, it is very good journal. It's SCI index journal and Scopus index journal. So there is very good journal to all of you. So I recommend or I suggest to all of you go for this journal and Scopus and Science Citation Index. So there are the both categories of the journal indexing the journal covers. Next journal is the Current Opinion in Pharmacology. Impact factor is the 4.9, side score say 9.3, very good side score. And now you can check the aim and scope. So this is the very good aim and scope. So please check your aim and scope. If your research area if comes under this particular aim and scope, then you need to submit your research paper for the publication and the abstract and indexing. So this is the Scopus index journal. So this is the very good journal. So I recommend to all of you go for this journal. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो, आपको हेल्पफुल लगे, डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड आल्सो हेल्प योर फ्रेंड्स बाय शेयरिंग दिस. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.